Good evening, all. This is Engineer Pat 5290. Just coming to you with another video. It's not in relation to trains or trucks, but it's in regards to what's been happening recently in the news within the past couple of weeks. As everybody knows, COVID-19 has been in the news a lot, claiming a lot of lives, and uh, our hospital staff and all of our first responders are responding to these instances. I just would like to take this opportunity. I don't know if any of our hospital staff or our first responders is watching this video right now, but I just would like to personally say thank you to all of our nurses, doctors, firefighters, paramedics, and police officers as they continue to work through this pandemic. A lot of people out there have been sick, and lots of people tested positive for this stuff, and um, as everybody knows, our hospital staff and all of our first responders work very tirelessly um, through any situation, automotive accidents, deadly shootings, and even pandemics like this one. I just want to personally say that thank you to all those people, as I said, nurses, doctors, first responders, including firemen, policemen, and emergency medical technicians. All of you guys are saving lives, and through as hard as this pandemic is, I know it is hard and stressful, but I am not one of the first responders. I know people who have been first responders, and I understand what headaches all of you are going through. So I just would like to extend my prayers that are with all of you who are working through this pandemic in our hospitals and also at our fire stations, police stations, and even our ambulance stations as well, and as well as our military who are sending um, medical technicians across abroad from home. Just would like to take this opportunity to thank them as well. So, a lot of people are working tirelessly and helping those who are critically ill. So, the next time you see a first responder or a medical staff member who is helping treating this incident and this pandemic, as well as our medical staff of our armed forces, please take the time to thank them because they deserve a lot of appreciation. So, uh, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope some of you out there were touched. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I will see you next time.